his career day.
Hi, I'm Dr. Patrick Mahaney from California Pet Acupuncture and Wellness. Today you guys are following me on a house call. Come join me for a fun day.
In the veterinary world, there are specialists, and then there's Dr. Patrick Mahaney, a very specialized kind of animal doctor. And believe it or not, he makes house calls.
Hello.
Okay, come in.
Thank you very much. When they go into their home, they're in their own space, they're comfortable, they're relaxed.
Dr. Mahaney is not only one of the best veterinarians in Los Angeles, but he's also an expert in animal acupuncture.
Trying to help you out, big guy.
Dr. Mahaney's house calls are great for the owner, but even better for the pet.
When you put a needle in the body, it helps to promote the stimulation of hormones that help with pain relief. And when that muscle relaxes, you get new blood flow and new oxygen coming to the site to try to improve the health of the tissue right there at the site of the needle insertion. And we're done.
This patient is done, but the doctor's work isn't. He goes wherever he's needed in the state of California.
Hi, Casey. All set to have me treat the kids?
Casey's kids are her 3 dogs, all of whom are thriving thanks to acupuncture.
I'm so glad that you're doing better.
This Siberian Husky just recovered from eye surgery.
And she's actually blind, and you can see her running around like that.
But this 15-year-old Cocker Spaniel suffers from an ongoing problem with arthritis.
Where are you sore, Summer?
And the needles aren't hurting him.
The needles are not hurting him, no. They're very, very small. And he barely feels them when they're put in.
It's easy to assume acupuncture causes pain, but these needles actually have the opposite effect.
The whole point of what I try to do with my acupuncture practice as a pain management practice is reducing the reliance that my patients have on medications that are used to control pain. You're done.
Time to roll.
Time for Dr. Mahaney to roll too. His #1 patient is waiting for dinner.
Bye, Casey. We are making your food. Oh my God, it's so exciting.
Cutie Cardiff is the doctor's personal pet. Looking at him now, you'd never know he almost died from a form of anemia.
I'm able to get him back to a point where he's very healthy and actually totally off of medication, but I'm also augmenting his health through the use of home-prepared foods that I make for him myself.
Cardiff's home-cooked chow is a mix of organic vegetables and store-bought meat. The success Dr. Mahaney has had with his holistic approach at home is what inspired him to use it professionally.
I apply to my patients the things that have helped me. I kind of look at my veterinary practice as being a representation of my life as well. I try to practice what I preach.
Cardiff sure is a lucky dog to have Dr. Mahaney as his dad, but Dr. Mahaney feels he's the lucky one.
Is that good? Are you comfy?
His loving companion has inspired him to learn about alternative treatments and to be the best veterinarian he can be.
My veterinary practice being mobile, I can take it anywhere. I can go anywhere in California. It certainly keeps me as busy as I want to and need to be, but also lets me have some control over the type of work that I'm doing.